is going on? The dust has owned.
Tim, what's wrong?
I lost 6 of my friends today.
Oh my gosh, what happened?
We were playing hide and seek, and I couldn't find them.
Well, Tim, why don't we go look for them?
No! They're lost. They're gone forever. We just gotta move on.
Hey, shut up and now! Time to watch TV!